Welcome to Digital Readiness, Unit 1, Lesson 1.3, Desktop and Programs. In this lesson, you'll learn how to recognize the desktop, understand what icons and the taskbar do, and open a program confidently. We'll also cover how to manage windows, switch between apps, and find your files using File Explorer. The desktop is the computer's main home screen. It's the first screen you usually see after signing in. The desktop can include icons and a background picture. Learning to recognize the desktop helps you know you're in the right place to start. Icons are small pictures that act like shortcuts. When you open an icon, it starts a program or opens a file or folder. Many icons represent common tools, like a web browser or documents, and they're designed to make starting tasks easier. The taskbar is the bar along the bottom of the screen. It helps you see what programs are open, switch between them, and check the time using the clock. The taskbar is one of the most important navigation areas on a Windows computer. The Start button opens the Start menu. It's a reliable place to find apps, search for programs, and access basic computer options. When you're unsure where to begin, Start is often the best first step. The Start menu shows a list of apps and usually includes a search box. Searching is often faster than scrolling, especially if you only know part of the name, like Word or Chrome. The Start menu is also where you can find power options when you're done using the computer. To open a program, you can click an icon on the desktop or select the program from the Start menu. When the program opens, it appears in a window. For example, opening Chrome brings up a browser window, and opening Word brings up a document window. Programs open in Windows, and Windows have simple controls. Minimize hides the window to the taskbar. Maximize makes the window fill the screen. Close exits the window, often by clicking the X in the corner. These controls help you stay organized while you work. Switching between apps is a normal part of computer use. You can click an open program on the taskbar to move to it. You can also use Alt plus Tab to switch between open windows. If your screen feels crowded, you can return to the desktop and reopen what you need. File Explorer is where you find your folders and files, like documents, downloads, and pictures. Think of File Explorer as the computer's filing cabinet. When you open it, you can browse your saved items and keep your work in one place. Folders help you organize your files. A folder can hold documents, photos, or other folders. Naming folders clearly, such as Practice, makes it easier to find things later and keeps your computer tidy over time. Search is a fast way to find what you need. You type a word, press Enter, and then choose a result. This works for apps, files, and even online information, depending on where you're searching. Search reduces frustration because you don't need to remember exactly where something is stored. Now it's time to practice the full flow. Open Start, open one program, and then close it properly. Doing this a few times builds confidence quickly. The goal is steady, calm repetition. Practice is what makes these steps feel natural. Quick check. Today's key skills are recognizing the desktop, using Start to find programs, and using File Explorer to locate your folders and documents. If any step felt confusing, that's normal. These skills improve with repetition, and each lesson will continue building on what you learned today.